Alright, today guys, I have an RCA Camcorder. I picked this up at the thrift store for $4. I think that's a really good steal. I didn't steal it, you know what I mean. But, it comes with everything. I have the strap for it too, I just don't know what I don't. So, I also have a Polaroid VHS tape. This didn't come with it. I stuck it in here. You know, to add to the video. That's a T20 tape. But, come with the charger. It also comes with a battery, which is actually still surprisingly good, comparing this camera's from the 1980's, thereabouts. This battery's still good, because I tested it and it's good. Also come with the video cable, and the main camcorder. Now I did charge this battery up. When I first got it, it was 10-ish volts, I'd say. Although it has a really nice case, I really like that. Nice briefcase style. So, what you do, so you put up on your shoulder. I'm not even sure if you guys are looking at me, are you? So, I'm using a different camera. I hate when I have to use a different camera. So, it has issues with when you turn it on and put a tape in it. Battery must have ran dead in it. It will turn on though. I can hook up the charger thing and we can look through it then. Alright, so let me do that. So I got it all hooked back up, but the battery's not on it because it makes it weigh a lot. Plus there's like a lot of drag on it. But anyway, I have it on, which I can't let you look through right now. Actually, we can. So, slide this out as far as it'll go. So, you can kind of see there the rebel flag. I may let it down a little bit. Okay. Black and white. Oh well. But, since I don't have my Samsung camera, it's kind of hard to film a little bit, so it don't really matter then. But, I think this is really neat. I can plug it into my TV and show you guys what it looks like through it, because it's in color. So let me hook it up. So now that we have it hooked up to the TV, you can actually see through. You can actually see the camera that I'm using, which is a pretty crappy camera. I was gonna see here. So I have a flashlight hooked up. I was gonna test it and see if it. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Let's turn off the light and see what happens. Which you can actually still see my window a little bit. That's interesting though, that it, see like this, see that puts pink lines in it. The camcorder, it really don't do that. Kind of interesting. I've heard though, if you point these camcorders up at the sun, it'll like melt something. At least that's what I've heard. A YouTuber said that. But yeah. So I think this is a really cool camcorder. I'm glad that it does work, but I can show you guys what it does. Like when you put a tape in it. That's my good tape. I have this old other tape. It's a Sony tape. kind of crappy. Okay. Oh, I always forget which way direction I did it. Let me get the camera. So, this is what it does when you insert a tape. It does that. Like, you can see the tape moving in there. Actually the furthest it's ever gotten. Like if I'm worried if I keep doing that, it's gonna get messed up or something. When you open up the tape, it's like all wrinkly inside. I'll put that there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the